We will need to go to the search tab and type settings. You want to open the settings. If your search tab is broken or not working, you can just click on the start button and click on the settings here on the left. Now we need to go to update and security, and here we are going to go to advanced options. You want to click on it and make sure that you turn off updates notifications. Next step will be that you will go back and you click on view update history, and here we are going to click uninstall updates. The control panels will load, and here you are going to select one by one to delete them. So we will select any, and I will select this one, the latest one, and we'll click. And Windows will ask you, if when you double click, this little window will pop up, and you can just go ahead and click yes to delete it. You will need to wait a few moments until or maybe even several minutes until the updates are deleted. You will need to do this for each one of the updates in your computer, which you don't want or which you want to delete or which you have to delete. If after an update your computer got stuck or is broken or anything, then you might think about the latest update to be deleted only. As you can see, guys, the operation is completed, and you can just go ahead and click restart later. Once you have disinstalled all the concerned updates or the wanted ones, you can just go ahead, close your control panel, close your settings, and you can go ahead and perform your restart. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.